Do you know many people are having trouble with scanning images to their computer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Align item. Place the item face down on the platen glass, aligned with the top left corner. Step 2. Open utility. Open the iScan utility on your computer to access the scanning features. Step 3. Select mode. Choose Auto, Document, or Photo for specific type of scans. Step 4. Adjust settings. Adjust settings like size and resolution in settings if needed. Step 5. Start scan. Click Scan to start and your image will be saved to your computer. Now you should be able to scan images effortlessly using your Canon Pixma TS6350. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.